Hello. Today I'm going to show you how to share a Google Gemini gem. So a gem is a custom chatbot that you can add custom instructions to perform a specific task. I just went into the gem, and to share a gem, all I have to do is go to these three dots and hit share. Then I have to make sure that I have the general access, anyone with link. I copy that link and I paste it. Then it gives me the example of what I asked for. I can go back to this hamburger menu. I can go to the gem and share it here. What I can't do is share the gem from the specific conversation. If I share that here, I'm not able to share the whole gem, but what I can share is history of that conversation. It shows the prompt and it shows the complete response, but it does not allow for someone to go right into that gem. You don't have access here. I went back to a different account. I did share it here, but if you don't share it with that individual person, then you would not be able to see it. And that is how you share a Gemini gem. If you have any questions or you want tutorials on other topics, please put a comment below, hit like, and reach out to me. I'll be able to get back to you. Thank you.